Hello and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this lovely mesh stitch. It is of course perfect for summer crochet clothing and it is so easy. It basically has 2 rows of repeat, so anybody will be able to work this stitch even if you're a crochet beginner. Before we get into the tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for lots of crochet content that will be coming your way after this very one you're watching. Now let's begin the tutorial. For this stitch, we need a multiple of 6 chains plus 2. So here I am going to chain 20 because of course 18 is a multiple of 6. And when we add 2 to 18, it gives us 20. So just work a multiple of 6, any multiple of 6, then you add 2 chains when you're done with that. I have 20 chains now and I'm going to begin with my row 1. To begin row 1, do a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, chain 3, skip 2 chains and do a treble crochet in the next chain, chain 3 again, skip 2 chains and do a single crochet in the next, chain 3 again, skip 2 chains and do a treble crochet in the next, chain 3, skip 2 chains and do a single crochet in the next, chain 3, skip 2 chains and do a treble crochet in the next, chain 3, skip 2 chains and do a single crochet in the last chain. And with this, we've come to the end of row 1. We're going to just begin row 2 right now. To begin row 2, chain 7, turn. Now in this treble crochet from the previous row, we're going to work a single crochet, chain 3. In the single crochet from the previous row, we work a treble crochet, chain 3. In the treble crochet from the previous row, we work a single crochet, and you pretty much know what we are going to be continuing with. Chain 3, work a treble crochet in the single crochet, chain 3, we do a single crochet in the treble crochet from the last row, chain 3, and in this last single crochet we're going to work a treble crochet there, and that brings us to the end of row 2. This is just a very lovely mesh crochet stitch, and it is super easy as well because you're basically going to be repeating row 1 and row 2 till you get your desired length. So we're going to do row 3 together just so you see. Chain 1 and turn. Now we're going to do a single crochet in this treble crochet, then you chain 3, work a treble crochet in this single crochet from the previous row, chain 3. In this treble crochet we work a single crochet, chain 3. In the single crochet we work a treble crochet, chain 3. In this treble crochet we work a single crochet, chain 3, work a treble crochet in the single crochet, chain 3, and to finish up the row we're going to work a single crochet in the 4th chain of these 7 chains that we did at the beginning of the previous row. So work a single crochet in here, and with that we have come to the end of row 3. Again, you're basically going to be repeating rows 2 and 3 till you get your desired length. So now you're going to repeat row 2, then you repeat row 3, and you keep going till you get to the length that you want for this project. This is a cutout from a video where I'm explaining how you can increase when working with this stitch. If you love to access this, just check the link in the description box to enroll for my crochet sizing and measurement course, where I teach how you can make your own crochet designs using any stitch of choice. I teach how to increase and decrease as well with decorative crochet stitches like this one, and I know you'll find the course helpful if you love crocheting clothes. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I can't wait to see the lovely pieces you make. Feel free to tag me on Instagram if you make anything with this stitch. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in my very next video. Bye.